Welcome back to Everyday Cocktails. Today we're going to be doing a new cocktail called the UK Cider Kick. So we've developed this new cocktail specifically for the UK barbecue season. Could be 2 days, could be 3 months, you don't know over here. So for the UK Cider Kick we need 4 main ingredients. The first being a spiced rum. Today we're using Sailor Jerry, a 40% Caribbean blend. But you use your spice rum of choice. With that we've got a lovely local cider, which is Aspel cider, and we have 1 ounce of lime juice, fresh lime juice, and we have 1 ounce of ginger syrup. If you want to be reminded about the syrups, go back to our other video where we make them out for you, show you how to do it. So let's start. First of all, we take our Sailor Jerry spice rum, or your spice rum of choice, and we want 2 ounces of this. That's a 2 ounce measure there. Then we take our lime juice, 1 ounce of lime juice, which is there. Then to that we add our ginger syrup, and it's 1 ounce of ginger syrup. There we have that. So then we give it a good shake. We then pour in single measure. This is for 2 people, so a single measure into a long glass. And then we top it off with our Aspel's Suffolk cider. Give it a stir. And there we have it. That's our UK Cider Kick. Fantastic summer barbecue drink.